Alright everyone, this is going to be another video for updates of learning resources because I did some researching again for more learning resources with learning Cebuano, and I found more and more information out there lately too. So it's kind of like down here. More literature, apps, media, they're all being made lately, right? So this language is starting to gain recognition slowly. It's slow, but it's really starting to gain recognition, right? Especially with this the K to 12 mother tongue based mother language education ordeal that's going on. So YouTube, you can find these kind of videos, just search up the K to 12 MTB MLE or any song Cebuano songs in this Cebuano MTB MLE programs, especially the Huni Huni website that was pretty good with the stories that I actually write down. YouTube's a great way to also check out media. You can see archived news media, news broadcasted in Cebuano, people speaking Cebuano, stuff like that. Apps. I really recommend this one. Kaalam. Kaalam is the Cebuano word for like having knowledge or an expertise in a specific subject or something like that, right? You're a specialist or having that specialist or expertise knowledge in some area, right? Kaalam is actually an app that was developed in Cebu, and this app has stories, people, just actually real people, right? These are real people that are actually telling these stories, narrating them, so you can listen to these people. You can play the videos that they have, you can pause it, forward it, listen again. It's really, really good for listening skills and understanding and comprehension. There are English subtitles, but again, I would recommend you to use it for your listening skills. Right? Another one is, I'm not sure if this one is actually still active though. Last time I checked, it's not. But halina't bumasa, right? This is actually Tagalog for hurry up and read. Halina is like halina, like hurry up. At, that T is and in Tagalog, right? Bumasa means read or read. In the process or reading, that infix is non-existent in Cebuano. All right, it's a Tagalog kind of thing, and some other languages like Chamorro has it. Um, but this, if you can find this app, Halinat Bumasa, it's an app in 3 languages. You have Tagalog, well, 4 languages: English, Tagalog, Cebuano, and Hiligaynon. The Cebuano part of this is something that I can really recommend. I tried it. It's a game. It's for kids. Just deal with it, right? Again, like more other apps out there, you also have Cebuano stories. There's this long one that's like Matud pa ni Noy ni matud pa kay or kang lola ni Loy Kulas or something like that. It's a really nice app, but it's also an app that tells stories in Cebuano. I recommend that too. Um, there are other apps on the Play Store that you can find that teach Cebuano or you can learn Cebuano. A lot of it is vocabulary building. Again, I don't really go into that because you can find so many resources on that. Mine is more like literature, reading, and comprehension, and some grammar issues as well. So, and starting from the top, or I guess ending from the top, I should say, is the news, balita. So when I was looking for literature online to make some videos, I thought about looking up some news articles, newspaper articles online, and news, I guess, a news company, some company that is circulating news or newspapers, right? But have theirs digitalized. So some really popular companies out there, newspaper companies, are Sunstar and Super Balitat, right? Sunstar and Super Balitat, they both are also news in the Visayan language, or not Visayan, it was Cebuano language, and you could also check out media from them that's also in the Cebuano language, especially Super Balita Cebu. You'll find so much good learning resources there. It'll help you with your reading and comprehension. I highly recommend that. Again, guys, read, read, read. And then books. There are so many books out there too in learning Cebuano. You just gotta go out there and check. Amazon, if you want to go shopping for them, Amazon has them online. I've seen a few of them. I've actually bought some just to read, especially children's stories. like the Ang Palacio sa Serena or something like that. I bought. It was pretty. It's like a children's book, but again, I bought it for, just reading comprehension and all that stuff. That's pretty much all I want to share on this really quick video. I'm probably going to make some more videos. Expect another story to come, and the next story is probably going to be a little longer. But with these stories that are coming, I'm going to be reading them first and then translating and then reading them again. Alright?